Hello friends, Travel Tuber once again bringing you our fresh new episode from Koh Phangan sequel. Today we are taking you to a typical roadside food joint in Chaloklam Bay area of Koh Phangan Island. You will see this restaurant owner is an old acquaintance of us. We have visited her place for many times in the past.
Oh, yes. This is
Hello,
small.
and not cooking there. I bought one. Low Satan, no people.
Oh,
And no pizza.
And she has renovated her little restaurant in a beautiful way, and she had been asking us to visit her place since then, but being so busy basically in Bangkok, we couldn't find enough time to see the renovated new place. So today we took our chance to visit Pa, that's her name, and the name of the restaurant is Mama Pa Restaurant.
and how is your daughter?
That is Australia.
Australia? Oh, it's great. So you are rich.
Australia.
You go?
No. My daughter Chico.
And your son?
Yeah, my son.
Monk. Oh, that's great.
You.
Yeah, my son. My son among 29 last month.
Okay. This is your son?
Yeah, meet him. Many people.
I'm telling you once again, it's situated in Chaloklam Bay area. That is, if you start from Thong, that is the center of the island, you take the road to Chaloklam, and end of the road, when the road takes a turn towards left, her restaurant is situated on the corner, just opposite the 7-Eleven there. Actually, Pa is a symbol of a struggling Thai woman who has gone a long way through her dedication and extreme hard work. She is also a very friendly person. You'll see that once you meet her. She speaks reasonable English, and my whole family is a fan of her. So whenever we go there, she takes very good care of all of us, and kids really enjoy her company. So today we'll not be eating much here. We have basically come to see the new appearance of her shop and also make a small video for you guys out there. And one thing I would like to mention here, Pa is also a very successful woman in the way of bringing up her kids. She was telling that one of her kids, that's a girl, she had a good English education and became an English teacher in Bangkok, and very recently she has gone to Australia, and that made her very proud. And her another son, she made him a monk, and that is a matter of pride in Thai society, I can tell you.
You coconut?
No.
Only them. I saw.
No, acta. No, one coconut and one.
Okay.
Okay, how much? How much? No.
Yes. Mhm.
Open that.
Open, yes. Oh. Oh. Oh, great. Thank you.
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
I have. ছেলেটা ভালো, সে নারকেলের পানি খায়, ডাবের পানি খায়। হাই দাও, সে হাই। Okay, it's okay, na? And I make video, YouTube here for you.
Restaurant.
ตอนมา2-3 เลย
So friends, stay with us till the end of the video and let us know how you feel about this video, this restaurant, and of course the restaurant owner. Take care. Bye bye.